Hello everyone, I am William. This video is for the visualization critique exercise for data science and big data at Heinz College and Carnegie Mellon University. The course number is 95885, and thank you to Professor Raja for the instructions.
Hello everyone, I'm Dana. In this video, we will summarize and critique the visualization made by Aaron, a very brilliant data journalist in Axios.
The main takeaway of this visualization is to display where Americans are born, as stated by the title, comparing the different trends of each state from 1850 to 2020, and determining whether they are native to their state of residence, born in America, or immigrated to the United States.
To be specific, first, from 1815 to 2020, the middle area of the US had very few immigrants compared to the coastal area or area with more advanced industry structure. And from 1850 to 2020, many Americans went to the coastal area or area with more advanced industry structure, presumably for a job. And third, in most states, the immigrant percentage will the highest level around 1900 to 2000, and then will shrink around 2000 to 2010.
The purpose of this visualization, it depicts each state's total population over time in relation to the native birth of each resident. It's subdivided into three categories, whether they're born in the state, born elsewhere in the United States, or born outside the United States. From 1850 to 2020, it also demonstrates the correlation between population structure and the state's geographic features.
However, this plot could make some meaningful places more visible. For example, it can highlight the Rust Belt area or those with high-tech industry, which can make reader make clear comparison.
The visualization, the graph, depicts the relative geographic location and trends from 1850 to 2020, and the percentage of each state's population makeup relative to their place of birth. It clearly depicts each state's trends up to the present time of their population. For example, the West Coasts were added later to the Union than the East Coast states, which show a large amount of immigration from outside the U.S. and internal to the U.S. in their earlier years.
However, this plot might make it hard to tell the trend of immigrant versus the other two categories. It might better for the author to represent the three categories as three lines, which can show the trend and the level more straightforward.
The visualization is structured as it's a simplified geographic map of each state. Each state maintains the relative position to the other states, and each state is equalized its size. It makes the map less accurate, but it makes the equalizing of the size makes them more comparable.
This choice to represent each state population as a percentage is a simple way to scale the different population of each state quickly. For example, California's significant population would cause issues if represented as the total population for observing state with a smaller population.
So each state box is a graph, and time is shown along the x-axis of each state box, and percent is shown along the y-axis. Place of birth relative to the state are color-coded areas of the graph stacked on top of each other to represent the total population percentage over time.
This graph's overall formatting is very informative. It combines the time trend, the percentage share, and the geographic relationships. The color is also very readable. The comparison between the blue and red highlights the immigrant and the local population. Moreover, the state's name is on the bottom right of every stacked line plot, making it easier to identify which plot represents which state. And author also gave a schema of every stacked line plot to make we understand each plot represented either. However, the x-axis is very shallow in the schema. We suggest that maybe we can make that more clear, more visible. For example, we can make the year black instead of gray. So this is our summary and our critique. Thank you.